Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you how to make a delicious, simple Haitian style potato salad. My parents used to make this growing up. I do have two different versions of potato salads, but this is a total different one. Stay tuned and I'll show you how I will put it together. Our potatoes are peeled. Do have a little skin on it, which is not an issue. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my potatoes into 4 pieces, okay? Because we want them to cook as quick as possible. And once it comes out, then I'm going to dice them into small pieces, okay? Also, my carrot, I'm just going to cut it in half. And I also have my eggs in the water. So I'm going to add some salt. To our water like this. Because we want to make sure we flavor our potatoes. I'm going to put it on the stove, bring it to a boil. And once they cook, I'll come back and show you what I do next. All right, my potatoes are cut. I cut my vegetables up and also my egg. Okay, we have carrots, we have some red onions, red bell peppers, and we have some sweet peas here. Okay, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is add all of my eggs to my bowl. I'm going to add my onions, my carrots, sweet potatoes, and just add everything. Okay. Once you add it, you just want to go ahead and give it a nice stir like this, making sure you don't have one set of stuff sitting in one area. Okay, so it's nice and mixed. Now, let's go ahead and make our dressing or sauce, whatever you want to call it. So I'm going to add just a little bit of mayo like this. And if I need more, I'll come back. I'm going to add some mustard. Just a little bit of mustard. You can leave it out if you don't like it, but you won't taste the mustard, trust me. I'm going to add some black pepper. Okay. Let me wash my spoon off. Okay, this is optional, and my parents didn't use this, but I like it, so I'm going to use it. I'm going to use a little bit of sweet radish. Okay. And now to my radish, I'm going to add some seasoning. Well, to my mix here. You could use any potato seasoning. I mean, this is a mix that I make myself. It's a all-purpose seasoning. You can use it. Any potato seasoning, like I said, or those who like Maggi, just put a little bit of Maggi, not a lot, not the Maggi that crumbles, but the one that's in the that you can shake. You can put a little bit of that in there. I'm gonna give it a taste. That's good, y'all. That's very good. It needs nothing more. All right. Wow, that's delicious. So now I'm gonna take our sauce or dressing, and I'm going to put all in there. And if you want a little heat, because I like to put a little heat in there as well, and that's optional. So I'm going to put just a drop of my, just a drop like that. And that's my hot sauce. It's a Calypso hot sauce that I like. So I'm gonna put a little bit in there, and you don't have to do this. Everything I do is optional. I'm just here to show you how I make it. I mean, you can make yours however you like, but I'm showing you how I make mine. Okay, see how beautiful that is? My parents used to put lunch meat, but I don't want no lunch meat in here, so we're gonna keep it simple. See how nice and creamy and beautiful that looks? Do y'all see that? It smells amazing, and I know it tastes good because our sauce was delicious. So you want to go ahead and take a piece and taste it. Guys, all right, guys, here's our fabulous potato salad. Guys, it is amazing. The taste is out of this world. It's very flavorful. I did end up adding another spoon of relish in here. It has a nice balance. The heat is not, you can't even taste the heat. It was just for more of the flavor of the Calypso hot sauce that brought everything together. Guys, until next time, please like, comment, and do not forget to subscribe. It's outstanding.